Welcome to Beautyistic, the channel where we dive deep into the world of beauty and personal care. Today, we have something that's going to make your oral care routine easier and more efficient, no matter where you are. If you've ever struggled with flossing or just want a more portable, effective solution, this might just be what you've been looking for. We're talking about the Philips Sonicare Compact Flosser 1000, a portable water flosser that's not only convenient, but promises to leave your teeth and gums feeling fresh in just 60 seconds. Before we dive into the review, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss a review. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty. The Philips Sonicare Compact Flosser 1000 is designed for those who want fast, effective flossing on the go. This cordless flosser offers up to 99.9% plaque removal from between your teeth and along the gum line, all in a quick 60-second session. It's lightweight, compact, and comes with a removable 200 milliliter 6.8 flossers reservoir, which holds enough water for a thorough clean without needing to refill mid-use. What's really nice is the customization it offers. You have 3 flossing modes to choose from: Pulse, which massages and stimulates the gums; Clean, for your everyday flossing needs; and Sensitive, designed to be gentle on sensitive gums. The 360-degree rotating nozzles make it easy to reach those tricky spots, and the 15-second pacer reminds you to move to the next quadrant, ensuring a thorough clean every time. Plus, the battery lasts up to 14 days, making it perfect for travel or those busy days when you're constantly on the go. I've been using this flosser for a while now, and I have to say, it's been a game changer in my routine. The water pressure is just right, not too harsh, but powerful enough to remove plaque effectively. The clean mode works perfectly for my daily needs, while the sensitive mode has been great for those times when my gums feel a little more tender. I also love how portable it is. I can throw it in my bag without it taking up much space, and it's so easy to use, even on the go. However, there are a couple of minor things to consider. The reservoir is a bit small, which means you might need to refill it for a more thorough cleaning session if you prefer to floss longer. The modes are great, but if you're someone who likes a more customized setting with different water pressures, this may feel a bit basic. But overall, these are small trade-offs when you consider the convenience and effectiveness. Now, let's talk about the value for money. The Philips Sonicare Compact Flosser 1000 is definitely on the pricier side compared to some other water flossers out there. However, when you consider the performance, portability, and the fact that it offers multiple modes to cater to different needs, it's a solid investment for those who want a reliable, travel-friendly option. For the price, you're getting a high-quality product that promises long-term durability and a more efficient flossing routine. Compared to other water flossers, this one stands out for its size and ease of use. Some of the bigger, more expensive models offer more features, like pressure controls and larger reservoirs, but they're also bulkier and not as travel-friendly. If you're someone who values portability and ease of use, the Philips Sonicare Compact Flosser 1000 is a great choice. When it comes to build quality, I have no complaints. The device feels sturdy yet lightweight, and the nozzles rotate easily, helping you get into all the hard-to-reach spots. The battery life is impressive, 14 days on a full charge, and it's a nice touch that you can charge it via USB-A, making it easy to top up on the go. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. As for customer support, I've had no direct experience with Philips customer service, but the brand has a solid reputation for being responsive. Their products typically come with a warranty, and they're pretty good about handling any issues if they arise. The Philips Sonicare Compact Flosser 1000 is a fantastic option for anyone looking for an efficient, portable water flosser. While there are some minor drawbacks, like the smaller reservoir, its compact size, powerful cleaning modes, and great battery life, make it an excellent choice for both daily use and travel. If you're someone who is always on the go, or you want to streamline your oral care routine, This is a product you should definitely consider. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Don't forget to check out the link to purchase in the comments or the description box below. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.